you are confused whether to buy a villa or an apartment in Dubai and you want suggestions, this video is for you. In this video, I'll talk about three main topics: maintenance cost, utility bills and other expenses, property for self-living or as an investment, rent or sell, market supply and future demand. Let's walk through this step by step. Let's break down what expenses you need to consider when buying a villa or apartment in Dubai. Number one, service charges. This is the yearly fee paid by property owners in Dubai for the maintenance of common areas like security, cleaning, landscaping, swimming pool, gym, etc. It's calculated per square foot and paid to the building or community management. For example, apartment of 900 square foot, average service charge is 16 dirham per square foot, gives us 15,000 dirham per year or $4,000. Townhouse and villa, 2,000 square foot, average price is 4 dirham, it's 4,000 dirham per year or $2,000. So service charges for a townhouse or villa are usually half of what you pay in an apartment. Number two is utility bills. Apartments usually have lower electricity and water bills than villas. Villas consume more power due to larger size. But remember, if the property is rented, tenants pay the utility bills, not the owner. And number three is maintenance. Villas might need more repair over time due to their size and structure. Apartments are easier to manage, but the quality of the building management plays a huge role. Let's talk about the goal of your purchase. If you are buying to live, choose the most spacious unit you can afford based on your lifestyle and family needs. If you are buying for investment, you need to think differently. It's not just about what you like, it's about numbers, market behavior, and future returns. Let's split this into two strategies. Number one is for rental income. Apartments have higher rental yield, especially in central or tourist areas, good for short-term or long-term rent. Townhouses have similar ROI or slightly lower, but better tenant stability, fewer vacancies, and usually rent paid in 1-2 checks. Villas have the lowest ROI among these three, but fewer headaches from frequent tenant turnover, usually rented by long-term families. Townhouses are currently in higher rental demand than large villas, especially in family-oriented communities. More families are looking for affordable 3-4 bedroom townhouses. Number two strategy is resale value. Villas and townhouses usually perform better in capital appreciation because they are limited in supply. Always follow the golden rule: location, location, and location. Ask yourself, is the property in a gated community, near the beach, walking distance to schools, mall, community center? These points make it easier to resell in the future. Now let's talk about what's coming to the Dubai market. Under construction right now, apartments are 289,000 units, villas and townhouses 85,000 units. Expected completion in 2025, villas and townhouses only 13,800 units, but demand is over 28,000. So there is a big shortage of villas and townhouses, and that shortage is expected to continue at least until 2027. Villas and townhouses are limited in supply. That's why they are more likely to hold value or grow better over time. For apartments, there is more variety and more launches, which means more competition when you try to resell or rent. For both, location is key. Look for gated family communities, waterfront locations, near business districts, schools, malls. These factors help your property perform better no matter the type. So let's summarize. For rental income, look at well-located apartments or townhouses, especially in areas with growing family demand. For resale value, villas and townhouses in limited supply areas are safer bets. For self-living, choose the most spacious unit you can comfortably afford. Make sure it matches your lifestyle. Don't miss my next video where I'm talking about off-plan versus ready property in Dubai. What should you buy in 2025?